we've been demonstrating Enerbrain's energy efficiency and monitoring technologies in 4 individual technical rooms inside EPRI Charlotte's office building in North Carolina. Buildings, I guess you know, consume nearly 40% of the energy at a global level. This is an enormous amount, an enormous problem for pollution and CO2 emissions. There is therefore a huge demand for energy-saving solutions, especially for commercial properties. There is a growing electrification scenario where utilities are also looking for enablers of demand response and especially ways to manage peak demand with flexible loads. Well, Enerbrain is a technological enabler, and we solve this problem by providing to the market a simple energy efficiency solution for heating, cooling, and ventilation. Our solution is tailored for non-residential buildings, for commercial properties, and is unique because we combine monitoring with control in a single platform that allows, with a self-learning control, autonomously to deliver guaranteed savings.
EPRI demonstrated Enerbrain's technology at the Charlotte headquarters in Building 3. We found the technology was fast to install and came in as a package that already combines energy monitoring and temperature controls together.
The solution can be summarized by this schematic. On one side, we monitor everything in the building: temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, occupation, of course, energy consumption. We process all of this data with advanced algorithms and weather forecast or variable cost of energy, and thanks to connecting the HVAC system with our cloud, well, we then automatically control the different components of the building. All the data is controlled by a web application, and it can be installed in a couple of days, even in a large complex building. The expected results were to reduce energy consumption by at least 9% in this project, but also to install everything in only a couple of days, to test scalability. In this case, we did a little bit of a stretch. We tested also the algorithm to act for demand-side management for peak shaving and peak shifting. Keep in mind, this is a feature that is not ready for the market, but we tested here for the first time. And this was a very small application, also the first time for us in the US market. So what is the next step? Well, the next step is to explore together with utilities larger applications of this solution for commercial buildings.
Enerbrain has been focused on buildings that are larger than 45,000 square feet in the European markets. But when they get into the US market, we recommend Enerbrain to focus on small commercial buildings with no BMS and no ductwork. So basically single zone rooftop units with floor space somewhere less than 10,000 to 15,000 square feet, such as small offices or retail buildings. The next step of the demonstration is to demonstrate in a small commercial building with its own meter, so we can verify Enerbrain's guaranteed savings.